It is strange, it is deeply distressing to see how the world is progressing in numbers too great to ignore. People cry for help more and more. They lament and they tremble in dread, fearing sickness or joining the dead. For they don't seem to see that however far off it may be, that day comes for you and for me. It is strange, it is deeply distressing to see how the world is progressing in numbers too great to ignore. People cry for help more and more. They lament and they tremble in dread, fearing sickness or joining the dead. For they don't seem to see that however far off it may be, that day comes for you and for me. The hour is drawing so near when all things shall soon disappear. Be ready, keep watch on your way, for we both shall be judged on that day. This earth is a path we just tread, a fleeting moment ahead. It's not yet too late, I'll say it again. Prepare for eternity's reign. It is strange and it fills me with grief how many choose hell and believe. It's a wonder, for heaven is free, yet ignored by so many we see. It is said in the end of all days, men will love only self and their ways, cruel in their heart, serving gold as a worldly art. The hour is drawing so near when all things shall soon disappear. Be ready, keep watch on your way, for we both shall be judged on that day. This earth is a path we just tread, a fleeting moment ahead. It's not yet too late, I'll say it again. Prepare for eternity. There's rain. path we just tread, a fleeting moment ahead. It's not yet too late, I'll say it again. Prepare for eternity's reign. It's not yet too late, I'll say it once more. The time is right here at the door. It's not yet too late, I'll say it again. Prepare for eternity's reign.